Josh on a fucking beat.
Yo guys, welcome back to the Basic channel. You're not gonna believe what happened. Look at these guys. Look at him. And then look at him. And then look at that. And then look at this.
And something happened.
And then look at that. Koi, tell him what happened. What happened?
This happened.
Got a title. So Troy signed over the car to Micah. Micah now owns a 240. This is now the third or fourth 240 Troy sold. Micah's car is now officially gonna be a project.
It's a project.
So a lot more.
Legal.
Hey, a lot more 240 content for you guys. Same car. So I guess he's swapping the car back to stock. It's got all the parts. Look at this guy. It's like a moving sale. For me, I got wheels. I got this new Bluetooth wheel pressure thingy and a driver's side axle, and that we might try to attempt. Logan also has parts for his X-Runner, wherever that thing is. There it is. And we might try to get to that later. Alright, so right now I'm gonna try and test fit the wheels I have that I got from Tristan. And while I'm doing that, I might as well just go check on my axles. And if you didn't see that, right there. Test fit the wheels. Hopefully I don't need spacers or adapters, and see what we're working with. While it's up, I might be doing my driver's side axle. So I also got a package, and this is what we're gonna try and throw on today. Got a cool little lanyard from Drift ILX. Yeah. Active tire info.
How do you open it?
We got the Bluetooth one. We found this one from Eliminate's channel, so
Upside down.
figure that's gonna be really useful. Dude, you're killing my vlog here.
Looky.
Got an air freshener. Dude. And then these ones go on certain tires. Rear right, rear left, all of
A
that.
good thing we have instructions.
Yep.
But I think it'll be easier if we gotta turn the wheel again.
Hey Troy.
You wanna turn the wheel? Gotta get your armor caught in, man. No power steering.
See. You think it'll fit?
Oh, it does.
Oh, it's kind of
Skinny.
sucked in. I need some spacers eventually. Oh yeah, you're kind of real tucked in. Just
I have
put.
to use my original lugs, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna use your original lugs. Was this demo day?
Stuck as fuck. Yeah. What? You want the bash bar? Nah, I'm good. I'm just putting the bumpers on, and then we gotta take off the side skirts after. Stock body.
Nothing wrong with stock life.
Yeah. Yes. And then tomorrow I'm picking up KADE from the Lord Almighty himself, Scott.
Oh, you're picking it up?
Yeah.
How much?
$350.
It's not bad.
With everything, the chans, radiator, and whatever KA goods he has.
Alright, got one wheel on. Looks good together.
Gappage is terrible.
Gappage.
Fitment is off by an inch.
The gappage, man.
It's like a full inch off. Look at this. Look at that.
He's looking like he never ate in a whole week. Starving on the fitment right there. So, I've been telling this guy to get a 240 for the longest time. He's had so many. But, I'm stoked that he has one now that I have one. Whoa, officer!
Gonna work a U-turn.
So just come on down to Basic Auto Body. We take care of the whole neighborhood's cars, I guess.
No, please don't.
Alright, took all day just for me to try and put on wheels. But, what's the verdict on the axle?
What? Oh, the stores didn't have a big enough socket, so we gotta do it later on.
Yeah, we need a 36
They only
millimeter
had
6
29
point.
at AutoZone.
Max is 29, so
And like 20 at...
we'll have to come back with our friend's one that we borrowed last time.
Is that a chip in your tire already?
Oh yeah. But for now, you know, it looks ugly, but fuck, it's something. Burners, burners. Mwah. As you can see, Micah went back to stock. Oh boy.
I think I got stitched the other side.
Just to match it?
No, because look at this. If I stitch it, I can bring it together.
40 light, 240? How's the eyebrow whiskers? Basic approved?
What you call it? Surgeon perfection right there. Stitch work like that.
Yep. So I got me and Logan got the app to work. It works. Really easy. Just gotta drive around for a couple minutes, follow the instructions, put in some codes, bango. And yeah, that was pretty easy and fun. And these wheels make a huge difference driving around. I have 255s on my other rims like that, but these ones have 235s, and boy are they slippery.
So, how was it looking back and seeing on the 240?
Dude, I love it.
He laughed.
I'm so glad you have a 240 now. Comment below if you think you should go performance or looks first.
Or both.
Why not just do both?
Oh fuck.
A race car can always be a show car, but a show car can't be a race car.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure about that.
I'm pretty sure too.
Pretty sure.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Gotta love this guy. Every time he just comes over, he's like, hey, I'm gonna bring food, I'm gonna feed you guys, I'm gonna clean your house.
Give my 5 seconds to fame. my 5.
Nah, take this out, please. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Back at it again. It's been a while, but we got these tires on. And they work wonderfully. Now I just gotta do the driver's side axle. That one finally came in. We should get that done today, I think. This is what we resort to. And this is our garage.
Well, my garage, that's my house actually.
You don't even have a fucking garage there.
Yeah, it's called outside open garage. And my neighbor just constantly walk by. Okay, master, what did we just do?
Just gunned out the 2 top arms. For some reason on the driver's side, because I swear on the passenger side we took the axle out easier, right? Without having to do all of this shit.
Well, we had Master Nick here.
It kind of just fell out.
Well, I mean, it did kind of break out.
Yeah, but the driver's side is not coming out. We have to take this out in order for that axle to come out.
But that's alright, because what are you putting in?
A new one?
What is this?
I don't know how to do that, so we'll see if we can do that.
We'll figure it out. If not, we'll just super glue it and JB weld it.
Things always go by smoother and a lot quicker when he gets here. Got the axle out in 1 speed. Took me and Logan all day. Blown.
So no wonder there's so much gooiness coming out.
Blown like Logan's rim too.
Oh, nothing.
No, I really didn't hear what you said.
Axle is in. Wheels are on.
Am I one of the cool guys yet?
Now hopefully things will be a lot easier than driving.
Huh? Yeah, right. Well, I mean, he can burn out right here.
Okay guys, that was it, really fast. Wheels, new wheels, thanks to Tristan. Axles, thanks to the brothers, helping me get it in. 240 Nick for the tools. And
for the giveaway, should be sending everything out
next week?
Maybe next week, Wednesday-ish, around that time.
Yep.
So we didn't forget about you guys. But yeah, we'll be sending that out. And then anything coming up? Oh, team day. Yeah.
Yeah, we have a team day coming up.
It's on the best day of the goddamn year.
Alright.
Anyway.
420!
Bleep that.
Nope, you're leaving that in. 'Cause I'm gonna say it right now, 420.
Stay tuned for
windbreakers, more shirts coming out. Probably gonna do a new design. Totally revamp everything. Keep everything fresh, you know?
Yeah.
But besides that, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. The more you share, the faster we can do giveaways.
Yep.
Catch you on the next one. Shoot!
Hopefully I don't do any mods to my truck because Mauie gets mad when I do stuff on my own. Like I put in my own intake, my gauges.
Well, bring all of that shit over
Come
so
to
we
my
can
house
film
so
it.
you can do it at my
I have
house.
a 240. It's gonna die 10 minutes from my driveway.
I have a 240.
I have a 240.
I have a beaten 240.
Yeah.
With a fucking silicone in the head.
I have a 240 in my dreams. It's an S15, wide-bodied, cambered, slam.